Happy weekends to everybody. This morning I'm very happy, you know why? Because in 5 years, just imagine, in 5 years, sa wakas, makakainom ako ulit ng Milo. That's my favorite, one of my favorite in the Philippines, even in Dubai, because they have too much Milo there. And the Lebanon, and the Abu Dhabi, so just in Iraq. Thanks God, in this supermarket yesterday, we celebrate the birthday. Just with us, we take dinner and we let to enjoy to play, to enjoy Sisi because it's birthday yesterday, May 16. So we go there and we go in the supermarket and I found the Milo. I found the Milo. Yeah, I'm happy. Thank you, madam, for the sponsor. Okay, thank you again for watching and keep safe to everyone. Health is so important with us because every day we work, every day wherever you go, take care of our health. Okay, bye bye, and Sisi also for the school. Bye bye. Thank you again for watching and to subscribe me. Thank you more.